Just 2 years ago, with the support of countless individuals in this room, we experienced an economic resurgence unlike any other recovery that was truly unprecedented. We had the strongest, most secure borders in US history, achieved energy independence, and even energy dominance. Gas prices were historically low, inflation was non-existent, and our military was fully revitalized. Our nation commanded respect on the global stage, leaders and countries alike held us in high esteem. We truly made America great again, prioritizing workers, families, and above all, America itself. But now, our nation finds itself brought to its knees, yes, literally brought to its knees. Who could have predicted such a downfall? Inflation has surged to heights not seen in 49 years, one with many believing the reality is even worse. Gas prices have skyrocketed to unprecedented levels, transforming us into a nation reliant on others for energy, a beggar on the world stage. Illegal immigration is rampant, with millions crossing our porous borders. It's nothing short of an invasion. Democrat-led cities are shattering murder records, and our country faces relentless humiliations both at home and abroad. Our fundamental rights and liberties are under siege, while the American dream is being systematically dismantled. If we don't swiftly reverse this economic and social assault on civilization, we may not have a country left to defend.